Hi guys, a very good morning. Hanze namkwama pesai ruhanya. This what happened in Mbara on Thursday shows beyond any reasonable doubt that Nelson Chamisa's CCC has solid structures. Unless it escaped me, I did not come across any advert either online or in newspapers for that meeting with such numbers. How do you explain this, Warakashi? So, Team Zimbabwe, this was not known by the people who don't reside in Harare. Raingofamba zeve runyere kupe. Mafambira anoita midzi. Ndo mafambira anoita vhangeri change. Vhangeri triple C. But you see these numbers. This is a true testimony. On short notice, vanhu vese vavakangoudzana. Udzana. Shoko risvike kwese. And these are Harare street point persons who just gathered like this. This is a true testimony that Citizens Coalition for Change is heading towards victory. Change is coming. We are winning this election. Nobody is going to stop this. Nobody is going to stop us. We are the citizens. You don't need to be active in politics for you to appreciate the work being done by citizens. For you to be a CCC member or supporter, just need to be a citizen. Your ID is your card remsangano. Card rako remsangano ndo membership card yako, ndo ID yako. So you see kuti, honestly speaking, this speaks a lot, and this is the reason why ZANU-PF is panicking and Murubon. Saka, no matter the shenanigans they will do, no matter how they will try to manipulate things, people are going to vote for change. Zvikanzino bvayajiwa kuvota suro mukoma. Ini zita rabudira mberengwa bonda primary school. And this is kuti I registered as I registered at Runyararo primary school Masvingo Payetso. You know, teacher namsiwa, these things, these irregularities, they need to be noted down. But remember kuti those names dziri kubuda dzacho idzodzo. Vanhu varikuda change. This was full to capacity. So just knowing kuti nhasi kune zviri kuitika, if this was publicized, Harare hamene kuti yaita sei. What is going to be a meeting ichanzi rally yakuitwa paZimbabwe grounds? What does ZANU-PF do? Saka ukaona zvakaitika last year ichangotanga isina mwedzi. What about ike zvine zviyane gore? And this is truly amazing. People people hit Chamisa when he says God is in it. Professor Jonathan Moyo and Themba Mliswa have the audacity to claim that opposition is non-existent. Like it or not, Chamisa is the next president of Zimbabwe. Themba Mliswa na Professor Jonzo, they don't represent the citizens in terms of whatever they say. So Team Zimbabwe, kana ukaona izvi zvisiri kukupawo mamwe maonero kwauri wherever you are, uri kutodawo ng'anga iyoyo, because handifungi kuti pana angakukwanisa. Uri kutodawo ng'anga, woenda unoishandira uchimhanya uchibata katekwe kaya keng'anga kaya, ndozvaunenge uchitongoda. That is the only thing you can do. Kana wakadaro muenda muchinonyeperana neng'anga dzenyu ikokoko, vachiuya madhara ezano muchivarapa ikokoko. So this is it. Let us vote wisely this 2023 elections. Councillor Triple C, MP Triple C, pamzongoza pana president Nelson Chamisa Triple C, tapedza masports tavaris.